Startups, often seen as agile and innovative, are prime targets for cybercriminals and regulators. This is because they frequently lack robust security measures and are more focused on revenue than anything else. This vulnerability makes them attractive to those looking to exploit weaknesses, but also exposes risk to the clients of the startup. Cybercriminals target startups due to their limited resources and often inadequate security protocols. This makes them easy prey for those seeking to infiltrate and exploit sensitive data. Phishing, ransomware, and insider threats are among the most common cybersecurity risks startups face. These threats can lead to significant financial and reputational damage if not addressed promptly. Data breaches can cripple a startup, leading to financial losses and eroding customer trust. Understanding these risks is crucial for startups to implement effective mitigation strategies. Ignoring cybersecurity can have dire financial implications for startups. A single data breach can result in hefty fines, legal battles, and loss of investor confidence. Beyond immediate financial losses, startups face long-term reputational damage. Customers lose trust, and rebuilding that trust can be an uphill battle. Legal consequences and regulatory fines are potential outcomes of neglecting cybersecurity. Startups must prioritize security to avoid these costly repercussions. A tailored cybersecurity framework is essential for startups, and Arrakis Consulting can help you with that. This can provide a structured approach to identifying and mitigating potential threats, helping to ensure a secure operational environment. Cultivating a security-first culture within the organization is vital. Leadership plays a crucial role in prioritizing cybersecurity and setting the tone for the entire team. Implementing strong password policies and multi-factor authentication can significantly enhance security. These practices are fundamental in protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. Regular software updates and system patches are critical in addressing vulnerabilities. Conducting security audits and risk assessments ensures that potential threats are identified and mitigated. Educating employees on recognizing phishing attempts and social engineering tactics is crucial. A vigilant team can act as the first line of defense against cyber threats. Promoting a culture of vigilance and encouraging the reporting of suspicious activities can prevent potential breaches. Ongoing training keeps the team informed about emerging threats. Utilizing advanced tools and technologies can bolster a startup's security posture. Cloud security solutions and endpoint protection are invaluable in safeguarding data. Data encryption and secure communication channels are essential components of a robust cybersecurity strategy. They ensure that sensitive information remains protected from unauthorized access. To enhance your startup's cybersecurity, develop a comprehensive plan that addresses potential threats. Continuous monitoring and improvement are key to staying ahead of cybercriminals. By implementing these strategies, you'll safeguard your startup's future. Remember, cybersecurity is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing commitment to protecting your assets. Let's recap. We've explored the invisible threats startups face, the cost of ignoring cybersecurity, and essential practices to adopt. By prioritizing security, you'll protect your startup from potential breaches. Take the first step today and contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you. We can review your current cybersecurity measures and identify areas for improvement. Together, we can build a secure future for your startup.